So I came to Jana, and I hadn't painted since high school, and she was so patient and understanding, and I achieved something that I'd wanted to achieve for a long time, which was, at that stage, it was a portrait of my daughter who had since passed away. And I can remember thinking the other day how things have progressed over the years, and if it hadn't been for her patience and understanding, I never would have achieved what I've achieved today. She has a way of not making you feel silly or foolish. If you want to achieve something and you're prepared to put the effort in, you will achieve it. I've seen her go from one genre to the next. It's just from someone drawing to someone doing acrylics to landscape to portraiture.